Hello, Captain Roo here, and today I am at the Manchester Museum and I found this cool lift here. I have already called it, green on both presses. Oh, well, actually, fun fact, the two call buttons are like two calls, but for the same floor, so that we're going to go down, to the lower floor. Oh, fun. Is everyone coming out here? Okay. Right.
Wait, hold the door.
Right.
No, she's not doing it.
Right, let's go to 3.
Oh, is he coming?
No.
Yes, darling.
Are you coming in? Okay.
Third.
Yeah, it's fast. Woo! This is the fastest lift I've actually been in. Right, I'm going to 3. Come on, doors close. I know. Scenic. I think you have an idea of just how fast it is now.
Here we are.
It's got, I think it's reflex leveling. I think it's actually got that. So let's go to basement. Let's see how fast it goes going down. Oh, the doors don't have a window at this floor. Oh my gosh, this is the fastest lift ever. Ooh. Oh.
Right, let's let this lady in, darling.
Are you coming in?
Yeah.
Okay.
You coming down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
It's a busy lift, this. It's good that it's so fast.
Right. Pull up, Sam.
Yeah, it's fun. 13 people, actually. It's fast. Oh. Yeah, this probably has reflex leveling. Let's get out.
Are you going out there? No, I think we're coming back.
Can we just come out and finish the video?
Yeah, good idea.
So let's have a look at these doors. See, they don't have glass here.
Don't call it again, there's people waiting now.
Okay. Is it going up? Yeah, it is. Have you seen this call button though? How it's got this little... Yeah, look, it calls like that. See that? How this one's red and it has this little finger.
Right, I think, should we finish it now?
Yeah, I think we should finish it now actually. So anyway, that's been Captain Lulu. This is a high that's hard to say, a high hydraulic lift. And a very fast hydraulic lift. Motorings down there. So anyway, that has been Captain Mumu in the lift at the Manchester Museum. Well, one of them. So bye.